Hello, good evening. Welcome to my vlog. So, magkauntaog with kid karon guys. So, if you know this food, this is our delicacy here in Leyte. So, let's eat. This is made of cassava and also the palaman. The palaman is also kuan ang at the center there is a kamote. Kamote. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Wow, sarot. Let's eat. It's so yummy.